Earth, Wind and Fire, a band that transcended music to become advocates for civil rights. Formed in Chicago in 1969, they faced struggles of racial discrimination and inequality. This fueled their commitment to social consciousness, reflected in their uplifting lyrics and message of unity. The band's founder, Maurice White, once said, "We were coming out of a decade of extraordinary social and political turbulence. I wanted our music to convey messages of universal love and harmony." Their admiration for Martin Luther King Jr. was profound. As band member Philip Bailey expressed, "Dr. King's dream of equality and brotherhood was a guiding light for us. If King were alive today, Earth, Wind and Fire believe he'd be both heartened by progress and dismayed by persistent injustices." They'd imagine him saying, "We've come far, but the journey to true equality is far from over." Earth, Wind and Fire's legacy reminds us that music can be a powerful force for social change, echoing King's vision of a more just and harmonious world.
Earth, Wind, and Fire, A Journey Through Harmony. Back in '69, Maurice White had a vision. He wanted to create music that would uplift souls and bring people together. That's how Earth, Wind, and Fire was born. Now, let me tell you, it wasn't always easy. We faced our share of challenges, both within the group and in society. The civil rights movement was in full swing, and we knew our music had to stand for something. Shining Star became our anthem of hope. We'd sing "A shining star for you to see, what your life can truly be." It wasn't just about entertaining folks. It was about inspiring them to reach for their dreams, no matter the color of their skin. We toured the country, spreading our message of love and unity. Sometimes we'd have heated discussions about which songs to perform, but we always came together in the end. Our music became a bridge, bringing people of all backgrounds together on the dance floor. Looking back, I'm proud of what we accomplished, but the fight for equality isn't over. To the younger generation, I say this: keep the conversation going, spread love, and use your voice, whether it's through music or any other means, to stand up for what's right. Remember, we're all elements of the same earth, moved by the same wind, and ignited by the same fire of passion for justice and harmony.